Hello everyone, myself Viraj Ramesh Patil. I currently studying in second year mechanical at Rajaram Institute of Technology. For ISC second of manufacturing processes and machining tool, I selected a topic manufacturing process of bolt. A bolt mainly of three parts, and these are: first, head. The upper portion of bolt is called head. The head may have different shapes. The shape of head depends upon the purpose for which bolt is required. Second, shank. The cylindrical portion of the bolt is called shank. The tail end of the bolt is threaded to a sufficient length so that a nut can be engaged on it, and also the end of shank is chamfered for inserting a hole and a nut on it easily. Third, threading. Threading is one that allows a bolt to move in or out of the workpiece. There are three main ways to produce a bolt. First, cold forging; second, hot forging; and third, machining. First, cold forging. This method enables the high-speed manufacture of net-shaped parts or near net-shaped parts with favorable mechanical properties and a high-quality surface finish. Another benefit to cold forging over hot forging or machining is work hardening. Second, hot forging. The bar stack is heated up to high temperature to make the material for malleable and then fed into a forging press. The temperature are determined by bar material, geometry, and tolerances. With this specific process, it is possible to manufacture even complex shapes and high degree of forming. Third, machining. Machining is manufacturing technique in which metal is cut into desired final shapes and size by a controlled material removal process. Here the flow process of making rod is given. First, drilled rod is taken. Second, straightening of that rod. Third, rod is cutted at required size of bolt. Fourth, head making. Fifth, thread rolling. Sixth, finished bolt is produced. Process number 1, material selection. As per requirement of bolt, the material is selected, and those materials are steel, alloy steel, silicon, bronze, brass, aluminum, chrome. Process number 2, straightening and cutting. Bolts are normally made from wire. Using special tooling, the wire is then cold forged into the right shape. The wire is then cut to the proper length for the type of bolt being made. Process number 3 is heading process. First, bolt is placed in press. Second, heading press is engaged and punched down. It forms a bolt head. Fourth, the head component is now ready for the next process. Process number 4, thread rolling. Thread rolling is a cold forming process by which straight or tapered threads are formed on round rods or wire. The threads are formed on the rod or wire with each stroke of pair or flat reciprocating dies. After thread rolling, testing process is carried out. In this process, many tests are carried out like fatigue testing, penetrant inspection, stress durability, tensile, shear and double shear testing. Types of bolt: hex bolt, hex bolt with flange, askew square bolt, elevator countersunk bolt, square bolt with dock point, round head square neck, T-head bolt, U-bolt, and I-bolt. Applications: square head bolt, all kinds of industrial, agricultural, as well as construction application. T-bolt, used in building, instruments, furniture, automobiles, etc. U-bolt, primary used to support pipework, especially pipes via which liquids and gases flow. Flange bolt, frame application such as truck and bed frames. Machine boards, fasten wood to wood, wood to metal and metal to metal, also found in general hardware use. Shoulder boards, pulley, moving engine part and mechanical assemblies, gear and rolling wheels. J-bolts, structural applications such as fastening wall to concrete. I-bolt, lifting applications such as wire and rope in light rigging. Thank you.